In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an appointment schedule you created on Google Calendar. Whether your plans have changed or you simply no longer need the appointments, deleting an existing schedule is straightforward. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You'll need to be signed into your Google account, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're in, look at the left panel under My Calendars. Here, you'll see a list of all the calendars that you've created and manage. Find the appointment schedule you'd like to delete. It appears just like any regular calendar with the schedule title you assigned it when it was created. If you have a lot of calendars, don't worry. You can scroll through to locate the one you're looking for. Once you've identified it, hover your cursor over the calendar's name. This will bring up a small menu icon that looks like 3 vertical dots, also known as the Options menu. Click on this menu and a selection of options will appear. From this menu, click on Settings and Sharing. This takes you to a comprehensive settings page for that specific calendar. You might notice several customization options here, but today our focus is on deletion. So scroll down until you reach the section titled Remove Calendar. In this section, you'll find the Delete option. Click on it. A dialog box will pop up asking for your confirmation to permanently delete this calendar. It's crucial to double-check that you've selected the correct one before proceeding, as deletion is irreversible. If you're confident, go ahead and click on Permanently Delete. With this, your appointment schedule is now deleted. This means the corresponding appointment booking page will be deactivated, and people will no longer be able to book slots on that schedule. It's as simple as that. You've successfully removed an unwanted appointment schedule and cleared up your calendar space. As a tip, before deleting, consider if archiving or temporarily disabling the schedule could be beneficial in case you need to reference it later. But if you're sure it's no longer needed, deletion is your best bet. And there you have it, a clean and clutter-free Google Calendar. Thank you for watching and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.